Plumbing and heating is more than just wrenches and pipes.
As a family-owned business that serves much of Whatcom County, our home, we do our work with pride.
Whether it's stopping by in the middle of the night to repair a leak or putting the finishing touches on a remodel, we've been here to help for 15 years.
We look forward to continuing to provide excellent service to homeowners, contractors, and our community. Thank you for allowing us to provide all-star service.
And we look forward to the many years to come.